Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to this video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I bought my dream $50,000 car by the age of 21. So that was my car. I bought it last year when I just turned 21, and I managed to get all the money for it and buy it within just 2 years of working online. So in today's video I'm going to tell you exactly what I did to buy the car, what projects I was working on and what made me the most money, and ways that you can also do the same to buy your dream car and buy any car that you want. So I'm going to go down and break down the exact things I've done and how I exactly did it. So the way I was able to buy the car was pretty much from doing 3 things. I do YouTube full-time, I also have a social media networking agency, and I also build websites for businesses and clients who obviously need a website and are looking to expand their social media platform. So I'm going to start off with the social media agency. I started about 2 years ago. I thought instead of just scrolling down Facebook every day doing nothing productive, I'm actually going to try and make Facebook into making me some money. So I started helping my dad with his paint and decorating company. I started making him a business page on Facebook, started to do Google AdWords, and I started making this kind of business for him. And before you know it, he had loads and loads of jobs coming in from online. So I thought, well, this is a really good way for a business to make money, like obviously for my dad. So now I started to think a bit more broad term, and I started reaching out to companies in my local area and asking them if they wanted me to help them grow their business. And before you know, I had a couple of local clients, not many, like 2 or 3. And I started growing their businesses. Now, after about a year of doing it, I had a portfolio of about 5 or 6 people, and that was then perfect for me to then go ahead and target bigger companies. So I went out and reached out to multiple people. I've got cleaning companies, oven cleaning companies, I've got paint and decorators, plumbers. There's a lot of businesses I have where I manage their Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat, and I literally just do daily activities such as posting regularly, posting sponsored posts on Facebook ads. I do Google AdWords for them, and just making general sales ads for their page to try and get them more business, along with obviously making their whole page rebranded and just pretty much doing stuff like that. So that was the first way how I started doing and making money online. Now, you can make quite a lot of money from doing this. Typically, you can charge your clients anywhere from $500 to $1,000 a month to manage their social media, because if they're not on social media already, you can instantly get in on it because it's going to up their game straight away. So like I said, you can charge anywhere from $500 to $1,000 to get per month to get your client continuously work. Because if you're doing work and they're spending a couple of $100s a month on advertisements on Facebook or Google, and in return they're paying you $500, but they're getting like $5,000 worth of work back in return, you're making them profit, and they're going to want to keep doing it over and over and over again. And you can make a lot of money. Like I said, if you've got 5 clients at $1,000 a month, that's $5,000 a month continuously for as long as they want you. And like again, once they have you and once you continuously get them work, they're not going to want to let you go because they're going to lose all that work. So it's kind of a passive income, and you're going to keep getting it over and over again. And that was just the first way that I really started making money and really starting to save money to obviously towards the car which I brought. Now, if you're interested in doing something like this, I would highly recommend you going onto YouTube and just watching videos about how to do Facebook marketing, Google AdWords marketing, you know, making their social media buzz, how to bring it all alive. I would start off by doing maybe a friend's Facebook page for their business, or a family member's business, anyone who you know of who will let you do it. Or you can reach out to businesses who may be struggling or smaller and say, hey, I'm willing to do it completely for free just so you can build your portfolio. Once you've got your portfolio building and building and building, you're going to get a lot of reviews, a lot of work, proof of everything you've done, and then you can start using that portfolio to pretty much pitch to bigger businesses in your area and say, hey, I took this business from here to here, would you be interested in me working with you and helping you build your social media? And before you know it, you're going to be getting a lot of customers. And like I said, you can make endless amounts of money with this. If you've got 10 customers on $1,000 a month, you're making over $120,000 a year just from doing this. And it's not that hard to manage 10 clients per month. It doesn't take long per day, maybe 5-10 minutes just to do a post and get your ads going. It's a really good way to make money. Number 2 is YouTube videos. I have a lot of channels on YouTube. I actually have also one channel with over 1 million subscribers, and I have another 4 channels with over 100,000 subscribers. So these are the 3 plaques that YouTube gave me for hitting 100,000 subscribers 3 times on 3 different channels, as you can see here. And then I also have a one with 1 million from hitting 1 million subscribers, which is also just here as well, as you can see. So those are the plaques I got from YouTube. And YouTube was one of my biggest incomes in the whole last 2 years, and I'm going to explain to you exactly what I do and how I did. So how I made most of my money was from, like I said, YouTube videos. I've gotten over 800 million views in total on YouTube, and that is on multiple different channels. I actually have more channels, but I haven't got 100,000 subscribers yet, and they're still growing. I have about 6 or 7 channels which are just continuously growing every single day. And the best part of it is I don't make any of the videos at all. I don't make any content. This is the only channel with my face on it. There's no channel I run with my face on it. I use other people's videos, I take them, get permission, and I make loads of money from doing it. Now, if you guys want to know exactly how to do that, it's such an easy way to make money, and it's so common that a lot of people are doing it now. Let me know down below and I'll give you a full video exactly explaining how to do it. But pretty much, long story short, is making compilations on YouTube, such as like top funniest videos or funniest pranks or top 5 this, top 10 that. And you can really cash in on that, you know, if you can make videos 10 minutes long, multiple ads in there. And again, you're not making any of the videos yourself, you're completely outsourcing it to somebody else. You're getting their videos and making it yourself, but you're not actually filming anything yourself. You're just taking their videos and editing it all together and uploading it. And you can do that multiple times and make millions and millions of dollars from doing that. So like I said, if you want to know how to do that, let me know down below. I'll show you how exactly I got all those plaques, exactly what you can do, how you can do it, and how you can start making money like instantly from doing it. And I'll do that for another video. But yeah, my YouTube channels have gotten over 800 million views in the last 2 years, which is crazy. I'm not going to tell you the names because obviously competition, but I'll show you some screenshots here and here of the analytics which of my channels have gotten. Now, like I said, you can make so much money in compilations. It's unreal what you can do, and that's how I made most of my money. I pretty much got 800 million views, but only about 400 million of them were monetized. And the CPM on my channels are not the best, about $2. So it's $2 per 1,000 views, and I got 400 million monetized views. So you can do the calculations, it's quite a lot of money in the last 2 years, exactly how much I made. So that's how, the second way I made a lot of money to be able to buy the car in the last 2 years. So number 3 is making websites for businesses. It kind of links into number 1, the social media agency, but it's just a one-off time. You make the website, you get paid. It's as simple as that. It's not a monthly cycle. Now, you can make websites selling from $1,000 to $5,000. It's a big market range. It depends what you want to charge, whether you want to go premium or lower end. It doesn't really matter because, you know, businesses who need websites will pay upwards of that anyway. I personally sold websites for $1,500, but I never made any websites. I know it sounds crazy. I never actually physically made the website. So what I would do is I'd pitch to, you know, businesses who didn't have a website or had a very bad one and say, hey, do you want me to improve it, blah, blah, blah. Here's some examples I've done. And I pretty much pitched to them, and we got a deal for $1,500 most of the time. Maybe a little bit lower, maybe a little bit higher sometimes. But I never actually made the site. I would always go to websites like freelance websites such as Upwork, Fiverr. Hire somebody to make the website. You just feed them all the information, what the client tells you. They go away, make it. You pay them like $300-400, and the client will pay you $1,500. You're making like $1,000 profit, a bit more than that, for doing nothing. You can sit back and make all that money, pretty much just feeding them what they're saying to the outsourcer. And it's as simple as that, really. I sold, I believe, over 50 websites in the last 2 years. It's not really something which I really went deep in. I could have done more. I could have full-time went in it, but it was just kind of like a hobby on the side. When the opportunity came, I would do it. If I wanted a bit more money, sometimes I'd contact some businesses on the side. Pretty much as a hobby, really, just to kind of get a bit more money coming in. And I managed to do 50 websites in the last 2 years, averaging at about $1,500 a website. So I made over like $60,000 to $70,000 in 2 years just from making websites. And again, I didn't make the website. I didn't know how to do it at the time. I do now, but I didn't at the time. I just managed to do outsourcing and completely push it to somebody else, and they did it. So that's another way how you can really make money without doing any work, essentially, which I'm also going to make another video. I said about the YouTube plaques, but I'm going to make another video of how you can make money by doing nothing. That's one of the ways to do it, but there's many other ways you can do stuff like this. But yeah, those are the 3 ways that I made most of my money to be able to buy the car. I hope this has been knowledgeable for you. I hope it's very helpful, and like I said, you can do all of these, especially if you're younger, or even if you're older, it doesn't really make a difference. But today's society, the way your teenagers are growing up, they're all on social media anyway. So you may as well, all the time you spend on social media, you may as well use it to make money, because after all, you need money, right? So you may as well change it into a passion and start doing that if you're interested in that. But yeah, those are the 3 ways how I made money. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video, and if you did, be sure to leave a like and comment and subscribe to my channel. And also, like I said, if you want to see more videos about the YouTube plaques, how I got this one, and how I also got the 3 other ones then, which are too heavy to pick up, let me know in the comments below and I'll make a video. But until next time guys, hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you for watching.